Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling and enabling the volume limit on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The volume limit setting will limit how loud sounds play through your headphones. This will protect your ears from sounds that are too loud, which could damage your ears. To get to the volume limit settings, open up the Settings app and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then tap on Headphone Safety. Switch the toggle on to the right of Reduce Loud Sounds. You will now see a volume slider. Adjust the volume limit to your preference. Your headphones will now not exceed your set volume. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.